Welcome back to Effortless Cooking, where we make cooking effortless. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best guacamole on planet Earth, which is that Chipotle style guacamole. Stay tuned. Now, in order to make this awesome, amazing, beautiful guacamole, we're gonna need a few ingredients, and here they are. Now, I'm gonna leave exactly what you need and how much you need in the description down below, so not to worry. So we're gonna make sure we're gonna chop up some red onion, and in a bowl, place some red onion. I'm using about a quarter of a red onion here. Now, just grab your avocado, make a little cut, and let the knife do the work. You're pretty much just gonna turn the avocado until it's nice and cut down the middle, and this is pretty much what you should have. So what I like to do, I like to grab a spoon, just go right underneath the flesh and scoop it all out, and you should get one nice solid piece. And with that solid piece, just grab your knife, make some cuts long ways, then turn it around, make some other cuts, and you should have these nice little cubes right here, just like that. When it comes time taking off the seed, be super careful not to cut your fingers, all right? Let's not cut our fingers, please. Let's keep our fingers. Just give it a nice little whack, twist it and turn it. And we're gonna repeat the same thing, cube it up with our other half, toss that in the bowl, follow it up with some nice chopped up cilantro. Now me, I love Chipotle guac, but let me know, do you guys like Chipotle guac? Do you like another kind of guac? Let me know what y'all think down in the comment box, guys. Next up, we're gonna cut our lemon, squeeze that juicy lemon over on the top. Now, usually I use a whole lemon. In this case, this one has so much juice that all I had to use was half. Throw in a little bit of salt, crack some fresh black pepper, and we're gonna proceed to mix it. Now, when we mix it, we don't wanna overdo it. We don't wanna make no baby food puree, okay? You still want some chunks in there. You want some bite. None of that smooth puree like a baby soup stuff. No, you want nice little chunks. That way you can scoop it up on a little tortilla chip, on a tostada. And y'all know I had to get a bite. It was just so good. It's just too good, guys. It's too good. I literally like to put this stuff on everything. Had to get my little thumbnail action going here. But what I'm gonna be doing, I'm actually gonna be making a little mini playlist to where you can actually create your own Chipotle chicken bowl. So I'm gonna teach you how to make the rice. I'm gonna teach you how to make the beans, which is actually very simple. The peppers, the corn salsa. It's pretty much everything. I'm gonna put in a nice playlist for you guys. Make sure that it's nice and organized. Just stay tuned for that. And like always, like, subscribe, tell your mammy, tell your pappy, tell your uncle, tell your daddy. Doesn't matter, just tell someone you know. I'm out.